What's up mga ka-science? So we're going to talk about the digestive system, where the organs of the digestive system work together to break down food. Now everybody needs to eat every day. Food provides your body with nutrients that will help it grow and repair tissues. It also provides the energy you need to do physical and mental activities. Do you know that the food you eat travels a long way? In this chapter, you will learn how food is digested. This chapter is about the functions of the digestive organs and how they interact. Here you will also study the common digestive disorders and why the digestive system needs proper care. As usual, we start with the chapter concept map. Starting first with the digestive system. The digestive system needs proper care to prevent ailments. The digestive system has parts that can be divided into two: the accessory organs and the alimentary canal, which includes the salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. For the alimentary, it includes mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Now, the digestive system has parts that can perform functions like ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. So why is the digestive system important? Do you like to eat? The food you eat undergoes a lot of processes that convert them into nutrients your body uses. The digestion of food happens in the digestive system. The digestive system is a collection of organs that breaks down food into energy. Your digestive system serves to do the following. So let's talk about the divisions and functions of the digestive system. Here we have ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Let's talk about that. Ingestion is the process of putting your food into your mouth. Your mouth is the opening of the digestive tract. Next is digestion. Refers to the breakdown of food into small molecules that can be used by the body. Your digestive organs process the food you eat through digestion. In absorption, when food is broken down into small molecules, absorption happens. The nutrient molecules from the food you eat pass through the walls of the digestive system into your blood. Lastly, we have elimination. Elimination talks about that some food substances are not absorbed and digested. Substances that cannot be absorbed are eliminated from the body as feces. Cellulose is one example of material your body cannot digest. As we continue, your digestive system is divided into alimentary canal and accessory organs. The human digestive system is built around an alimentary canal. The alimentary canal or digestive tract refers to a tubular passage through which the food passes and is digested. This includes the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. These are the main organs for digestion. The pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and salivary glands are the accessory organs. These organs help in the digestion process by secreting enzymes that further break down food particles. The next part is talking about the digestive process. Food undergoes mechanical and chemical digestion. Let's see the difference. Mechanical versus chemical. Mechanical digestion talks about the breakdown of food into smaller pieces, while chemical digestion involves the breakdown of food into simple nutrients that can be used by the cells. Do you know that each food nutrient in your meal undergoes both mechanical and chemical digestions? Mechanical digestion takes place as the food moves down the digestive tract via peristalsis. Peristalsis is a rhythmic, involuntary contraction of the smooth muscle. As you can see here in the example, it is possible to eat upside down because of peristalsis. Let's go into detail what chemical digestion is. So it talks about acids and enzymes that facilitate chemical digestion. Let us trace the pathway of food in the digestive system. Digestion in the mouth. Digestion begins in the mouth with the help of your teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. When you chew your food by means of mastication, the teeth and the tongue carry out the mechanical digestion. Teeth shred and grind the food into smaller pieces, while your tongue moves the food around the mouth so that all of it can be chewed. While you are chewing, salivary glands secrete saliva to moisten the food you eat. It contains amylase, an enzyme that breaks down starch into sugar. This begins the chemical digestion. Food that has been chewed and mixed with saliva is called bolus. A bolus is a ball of partially digested food. The tongue pushes the bolus down the esophagus as you swallow it. Next is the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that transports the bolus from mouth to stomach. Bolus keeps moving down the stomach through the rhythmic muscular contractions in the esophagus by means of peristalsis. The next stop for bolus is in your stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped muscular sac that digests and temporarily stores food. Layers of smooth muscle within the stomach churn to break down and mix food with digestive juices. Digestive juice is a fluid produced by the cells that inline in the stomach. It contains hydrochloric acid and pepsin. So what roles do digestive juices play? The hydrochloric acid is a gastric juice that prepares protein in the stomach for digestion and kills the bacteria found on food, while pepsin breaks down proteins into smaller pieces. In this process, the digested food leaves stomach as a thick liquid called chyme. Just like the stomach, your small intestine has smooth muscles that also churn the food. Pancreas, liver, and gallbladder secrete enzymes and hormones to initiate chemical digestion in the small intestine. When chemical digestion is completed, the food nutrients are absorbed through the folds in the lining of the small intestine called villi. There are also microvilli that are projecting from the villi. Together, they increase the surface area of the intestines, allowing further absorption. After absorption, undigested food enters the large intestine, where water is reabsorbed, leaving the undigested material. The undigested material eventually forms into a solid mass called feces. It contains undigested fiber from plant foods, dead bacteria, and traces of undigested fat and protein. From the large intestine, feces travels down the rectum. Now, the rectum serves as a storage site for feces before it is eliminated through a muscular opening called anus. Just like other body systems, your digestive system is prone to disorders caused by different factors. Diarrhea is characterized by loose and watery stool and frequent bowel movement. It may be caused by a bacteria or virus. They infect the colon and reduce water reabsorption. Prolonged diarrhea may lead to dehydration. A compact, dry, and hard stool characterizes constipation. Feces are kept in the large intestine due to slow muscular contraction. A person who is constipated experiences difficulty in defecating. It results from a low-fiber diet. Next is gastroesophageal reflux disorder, or in short, GERD. This occurs when the acid from the stomach flows back to the esophagus. This happens when the muscular valve in the esophagus does not close properly or opens at the wrong time. The acid irritates the lining of the esophagus. Gallstones are stones or lumps that build up in the gallbladder. These stones are hardened cholesterol and pigments in the bile. Gallstones cause pain in the upper abdomen and back that may last for several hours. A surgery is performed to remove gallstones. A sore or painful wound in the lining of the stomach and small intestine is called peptic ulcer. Now, most ulcers is caused by a bacteria called a Helicobacter pylori. It weakens the protective coating of the stomach and small intestine. Lastly, we have colon cancer. Colon cancer occurs when tumors form in the lining of the large intestine. Now, there are many simple ways to keep your digestive system healthy. Some of them are listed here. We start first with proper nutrition. Nutrition is the process of eating the right food that your body needs so that you can grow properly and healthy. Now, sometimes people hire nutritionists where these are professionals who advise and plan matters on food and nutrition. They develop dietary plans and guidelines to help people make healthy food choices. This includes a high proportion of grains, vegetables, fruits, and milk or dairy products on your plate. Vegetables and fruits are high in fiber. A high-fiber diet prevents the onset of digestive diseases. Food contains 6 kinds of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Foods rich in carbohydrates like rice and bread are used by the body for energy. Fats protect the body organs and insulate the body. Proteins supply raw materials for growth and repair of the body, while vitamins and minerals help regulate body functions. You also have to drink lots of water to keep hydrated. Water helps regulate body temperature and maintain bodily functions. Next is proper hygiene. Microorganisms may contaminate the food you eat. Once ingested, the contaminated food may cause digestive problems. Proper hygiene may prevent the spread of disease-causing microorganisms. So listen, here are some ways to prevent food contamination. First, wash your hands thoroughly before and after eating. Second is wash eating and cooking utensils before and after using them. Third is wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Fourth, avoid street foods. Make sure that the food preparation is clean. And lastly is handle and prepare food well before cooking or putting them in the refrigerator. Second to the last is health habits. Chewing food well and avoiding swallowing large chunks of food are examples of good eating habits. It is also good if you eat in moderation. Did you know that the bowel movement gives a peek to your health? Monitoring your toilet habits tells you, well, your digestive tract works. You should monitor the frequency of your bowel movement and check the consistency of your stool. Regular exercise. Regular exercise keeps the food moving through the digestive system. In effect, it reduces the chances of a person being constipated. Now we have finished talking about the digestive system. Remember that the digestive system needs proper care to prevent ailments, and it also has parts that can be divided into the accessory organs and alimentary canal. The accessory organs include the salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas, while the alimentary canal includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Now, the digestive system also performs functions like ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. If you have questions about the topic, feel free to type it in the comments below. If you learned something today, don't forget to like this video, and if you're interested in more educational videos to come, click that subscribe and notification bell to be notified on the latest videos. I'll see you guys on my next video. And don't forget, you are your only limit.